Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Just English Podcast, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Zoe.
Hello, Zoe. Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. How are you today, Zoe?
Honestly, Alex, today I feel a little discouraged.
Discouraged? About what?
About my English. Yesterday I tried to speak and the words did not come.
Oh, I know that feeling.
You wanted to give up?
Sometimes, yes.
And that is our topic today. Our topic today is this: don't give up when you're discouraged.
Don't give up when you're discouraged.
Say it with me, everyone.
Don't give up when you're discouraged.
Perfect. This is very important.
I think every English learner needs to hear this.
Yes, every learner.
Because learning English is not always easy.
No, it is not always easy. Some days are good. Some days are hard.
And on hard days, we feel discouraged.
Exactly. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Especially a friend who feels discouraged right now. Thank you so much. We love our listeners.
Okay, let's start. First, two important words.
2 words?
Yes, discouraged and give up. Okay, discouraged. Discouraged means you feel like stopping. You feel sad because things are difficult.
Like, I want to learn English, but it is too hard. I feel discouraged.
Exactly. You lose hope.
Lose hope. That is a sad feeling.
It is. And give up. What does give up mean?
Give up means stop trying.
Yes, you stop. You quit.
Like, I wanted to learn English, but I gave up.
Exactly. You feel discouraged and then you give up.
But we don't want that.
No, we want to keep going.
Even when we feel discouraged.
Yes, don't give up when you're discouraged. Now, let's look at real life. 3 examples.
I am ready.
Example 1. You study every day, but you don't see progress.
Oh, this is my life.
Tell me about it.
Okay, I study English every day.
Good.
I listen to podcasts, I read, I practice.
You are doing everything right.
But after 1 week, I still make mistakes. After 2 weeks, I flip them to do all the way.
Yes.
And I think, why am I not improving?
That is the discouraged feeling.
Yes, I feel maybe I am not good at English. Maybe I should give up.
But Alex, let me ask you something.
Yes?
Do you know what progress looks like?
Progress? Progress is when I am better.
Yes, but how do you see it?
I don't know. I just feel the same.
That is the problem.
The problem?
Yes, progress is invisible.
Invisible? I cannot see it?
Not every day, no.
Then how do I know I am improving?
Let me explain. Imagine a plant.
A plant? Like a flower?
Yes, you plant a seed in the ground. Day 1, you water it. Do you see a flower?
No.
Day 2, you water it. Do you see a flower?
No.
Day 3, day 4, day 5, still no flower.
Just dirt.
Yes, just dirt. And you think, this seed is not growing. Maybe I should give up.
I see where this is going.
But the seed is growing.
It is?
Yes, under the ground. You cannot see it, but it is growing.
Invisible progress.
Exactly. And one day, maybe day 20, a small green leaf appears.
The flower is coming.
Yes, and you think, wow, it worked.
But it was working the whole time.
Exactly. You just could not see it.
So my English is like the seed.
Yes, you are growing, even when you cannot see it.
Every day I study, I am growing.
Yes, under the surface.
And one day, I will see the progress.
You will. Maybe you understand a movie. Maybe you have a conversation. Maybe you read a book.
And I think, wow, when did this happen?
Yes, it happens slowly, every day.
So I should not give up when I don't see progress.
Never. The progress is there. You just need patience.
Patience. That is a hard word.
Patience means you wait calmly.
Wait for the flower.
Exactly. Example 2?
Example 2. You make a mistake in front of other people.
Oh no, this is embarrassing.
Embarrassing?
Yes, embarrassing means you feel shy or uncomfortable.
Good explanation. Tell me, when did this happen to you?
Last week,
What happened?
I was in a coffee shop.
Okay.
I wanted to order a coffee.
Simple.
Yes, simple. I said, I want a coffee, please.
Good.
But the person said, sorry, what?
They did not understand?
No, my pronunciation was wrong.
Hmm.
I tried again. I want a coffee.
And?
Still, sorry, what?
Oh no.
And there were people behind me waiting.
That is stressful.
Very stressful. And I felt everyone is looking at me. Everyone is thinking, your English is bad.
What did you do?
I pointed at the menu.
You pointed?
Yes, I gave up speaking. Just pointed.
And how did you feel after?
Terrible. Very discouraged.
Like, maybe I should stop trying to speak English.
Exactly.
Zoe, can I tell you something?
Please.
That moment, that embarrassing moment, is the most important moment.
Important? How?
Because that is when you are learning.
But I made a mistake.
Yes, and mistakes are how we learn.
But it felt bad.
I know. But think about this. Before that moment, did you know your pronunciation needed practice?
No.
Now you know.
I know I need to practice coffee.
Yes, you learned something.
But everyone heard my mistake.
Zoe, I promise you, they forgot 5 seconds later.
Really?
Really. People are thinking about their own problems, not your English.
That makes me feel better.
And you know what brave people do?
What?
They try again.
Try again?
Yes, next time, go to the coffee shop and order again.
Even if I make another mistake?
Even if, because every mistake is practice.
Practice makes progress.
Exactly. Don't give up when you make a mistake.
Don't give up when I feel embarrassed.
Never. Embarrassment means you are trying.
And trying is good.
Very good.
Example 3.
I think I know this one.
Oh?
You compare yourself to other people.
Yes, exactly.
This happens to me all the time.
Tell me.
I watch YouTube videos. And I see people speaking perfect English.
Mm-hmm.
They speak so fast, so clearly, 0 mistakes.
And you think?
I think, why is my English not like that?
You compare.
Yes, I compare my English to their English.
And you feel?
Discouraged. Very discouraged.
Like I will never be that good.
Exactly. Maybe I should just give up.
Alex, comparing is dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, very dangerous for your motivation.
Why?
Because you are comparing your beginning to someone else's middle or end.
What does that mean?
It means that person on YouTube, maybe they studied English for 10 years.
10 years?
Maybe. And you, how long?
6 months.
6 months. So you are comparing your 6 months to their 10 years.
Oh, that is not fair.
No, it is not fair.
I never thought about that.
Everyone has a different journey.
Journey?
Journey means the path, the trip.
So my English journey is different from their journey.
Exactly. Different starting points, different speeds, different paths.
So I should not compare.
You should only compare yourself to one person.
Who?
Yourself yesterday.
Myself yesterday?
Yes. Are you better today than yesterday?
Maybe a little.
Then you are winning.
Winning?
Yes, winning means you are succeeding.
So I don't need to be perfect.
No.
I just need to be better than yesterday.
Exactly. 1% better. One word better. One sentence better.
That feels possible.
It is possible.
Don't compare to others.
Compare to yesterday's you.
I like this.
So, 3 examples. You don't see progress. You make mistakes. You compare yourself.
3 ways to feel discouraged.
Yes. And in all 3, you want to give up.
But we should not give up.
Never. So, how do we keep going?
Please tell me. I need this.
I have 3 secrets.
3 secrets?
Yes.
I am ready.
Secret number 1. Progress is invisible until it is not.
Like the plant.
Exactly. You cannot see your progress every day.
But it is happening.
Yes, under the surface.
So I should trust the process.
Trust the process. That is a perfect phrase.
Trust means believe.
Yes, believe in the process even when you cannot see results.
Keep watering the plant.
Keep watering. The flower will come.
Secret 1. I will remember this.
Secret number 2. Mistakes are proof you are trying.
Proof?
Proof means evidence, confirmation.
So my mistakes show I am trying.
Exactly. If you never make mistakes, you are not trying hard enough.
That is interesting.
People who make 0 mistakes are people who never speak.
They stay safe.
Yes, safe, but not improving.
And I want to improve.
So make mistakes, proudly.
Proudly?
Yes, with pride. Every mistake is a step forward.
Wow, I never thought about it like that.
Think about it now.
Mistakes are good.
Mistakes are necessary.
Secret 2. I love it.
And secret number 3, your only competition is yesterday's you.
Not other people.
Not other people, just you.
Am I better than yesterday?
Yes, that is the only question.
And if yes,
Then celebrate.
celebrate?
Yes, be happy. You did it.
Even if it is small progress?
Especially if it is small progress.
Small progress is still progress.
Exactly. You are learning.
Secret 3. My only competition is me.
Yes,
Zoe, can I say something to everyone listening?
of course.
If you are feeling discouraged right now about your English, I want you to know something.
Yes, please.
You are not just in it. Everyone feels this. Everyone, even people who speak English very well.
They felt discouraged too,
Yes, they wanted to give up too.
but they kept going.
And now look at them.
They did it.
And you can do it too.
Yes, you can.
Maybe your English is not perfect today.
That is okay.
Maybe you make mistakes.
That is okay too.
Maybe you feel slow.
Slow is okay.
Because you are moving forward.
Every day, a little more.
Every lesson a little stronger.
Every word, a little closer.
Don't give up.
Please, don't give up.
When you feel discouraged, remember this episode.
Remember, progress is invisible.
Mistakes are proof you are trying.
Your only competition is yesterday's you.
Keep going.
Keep trying.
We believe in you.
We really do.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, review time.
Today we talked about one big idea.
Don't give up when you're discouraged.
Discouraged means you feel like stopping.
You feel sad because things are difficult.
And give up means stop trying. Quit.
We talked about 3 examples.
Example 1. You study but don't see progress.
Example 2. You make mistakes in front of others.
Example 3. You compare yourself to other people.
All 3 make you feel discouraged.
But we have 3 secrets.
Secret 1. Progress is invisible until it is not.
Like a plant growing under the ground.
Secret 2. Mistakes are proof you are trying.
Every mistake is a step forward.
Secret 3. Your only competition is yesterday's you.
Not other people, just you.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I feel motivated now.
Good. That is the goal.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Just English Podcast.
Yes, thank you, everyone.
This topic is very important to us.
Very important.
Please subscribe to Just English Podcast.
And give this episode a like.
It helps us reach more English learners.
And share it with a friend who feels discouraged.
Yes, share it with someone who needs motivation.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, when do you feel most discouraged about your English?
Write it in English in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
And we will encourage you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing your English and never give up.